I would start off by saying that I think that you can't have one without the other if success is the goal. Um, Having data is great, but if you don't have a actionable, clearly laid out plan of what you do with that data, that's your workflow, right? So it's not enough for me as a technologist to provide something that has a pretty graph, nice, a good report. There has to be a story behind it, and there has to be an expectation for I see X, I do Y. Now, when it comes to, I think, figuring out what that workflow is, the third piece, if you want to think of it as a pyramid, right, is you need to understand your customer's journey. So looking at the different phases that your customer is going to go through, all the way from what I like to call cold to sold to resold, right? Going from just hearing about your organization for the first time to seeing the value, understanding it, buying in, to staying on for life, hopefully, right? Or even going to become an advocate on your behalf. You have to understand what data is relevant at each stage and what should your internal contributors be doing on the back of that data. So if X equals 1, 2, 3 at this point in the customer life cycle, then I need to go do Y and Z. That's the sort of framework that I think you have to do in order to have the right combination of data and workflow.